Like guys, we're analyzing Nasdaq here. So on Nasdaq, guys, I'm on the daily time frame, guys, you know. So what I usually do on the daily time frame, guys, it's I check my lows, you know, guys. So from here going that side, you could see, guys, that you had your first low, second low, and you're on the third low. You understand? So what happened on the third touch? On the third touch, the market went up. So there's a tool, guys, called a replay button, you know. So you can come with the replay button and do like that. So like always, guys, when you see the third touches in the market, just know that the market has the highest probability of buying. So we could see, guys, that okay, from here, this was our first touch. That was our first touch. Correct? That was our first touch. And then, guys, after the first touch, we had our second touch, which one? This one was our second touch. So from our second touch, guys, first, second, we went to the third. So this was our third touch. So what happens on the third touch, guys? The third touch has the highest probability. As you could see, price reached the third touch here. When we reach the third touch, guys, I'm just gonna play the bar pattern. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit fast so we can move. Okay, like straight, guys, on the third touch. Check out the market moved here. You see, you were on your third touch, guys. There's the market buying. Why? Because of the third touch. So if you learn, guys, to like to take care of those third touches, know when they happen, you can capitalize by just using them, you know. Like once you see this thing, guys, you can't unsee it. Like it's already there in your mind. Like, you get what I'm saying, guys? Like it's already there. You see here, like it shows that okay, that's fine. The third touch has been there before. It's okay, guys. A lot of us blew accounts here. Okay, let me show you, because we thought price here a lot. I'm in that list of a lot, guys. We thought price here will do what? I thought price here will form of a double top, but then it didn't happen. You understand, guys? But like, I think if you want to see why it didn't happen, we do have reasons on why it didn't happen. Because if you check, if I were to draw a trend line going like that, you could see we have the first touch, we have the second touch, and then we went for the what? We went for the third touch. So that teaches me something, guys. It teaches me that okay, sometimes you have to stick to the rules, you know. Like if it's a double top like here, guys. If it's a double top, you need to confirm first. Just don't see it in your mind. You can't just say just because price has reached here, price will go down. Like a lot of us, guys. Let me show you something with the bar pattern. There's a tool called bar pattern with it. You need to use those things. You see from here going sideways. To be honest, I'll take this price, guys, and put it here. I wanna show you what I thought, you know. So with that price, when the market was like that, guys, I thought maybe we're gonna do something like this, you know. We're gonna do something like this. As you could see, that's the both highest height. I thought price will do what? I thought price will come down. But then it didn't happen my way, you know, guys. And as I said, like, you'll never know why. Understand? Only God knows why it didn't happen. So when the situation was like that, guys, like I thought we are on the double top. But then again, guys, based on the strategy that I trade, like they taught me that okay, you know what, man, when the situation is like that, price might be heading for what? For the third touch. Which price did? Check price. When price reaches that level, what happened? Price decided to like 10, you understand? So that was the what? That was the daily, and that's the highest height of the daily. We broke the highest height. So guys, this is the lowest low of the structure that we are analyzing, you see. So from the from the daily, guys, we have to go to the 4 hour. Okay, as we go to the 4 hour, things were interesting, guys, you know. Things were interesting, you understand, guys? So I'll show you something, guys. Check, if we were to take a trend line and put it here, and then we go up with it, guys, you understand? Like price has been respecting this trend line, you understand, guys? Price has been moving in an impulse correction, until everything changes there, you understand? Like a lot changed there, guys. So when a lot changed, it's not a problem. We have the highest height, you understand, guys? We have what? We have the lowest low. You understand? We have the highest height of the what? We have the highest height of the we have the highest height of the, what do you call? We have the highest height, guys, of the, what do you call, of the 4 hour, and we have the what? We have the lowest low. So these was supposed to be, these were supposed to be, this was my lowest low, guys, and this was my highest height. So if I had my lowest low and highest height, what do? I now go to the 1 hour. Like on the 1 hour, guys, that's where I could start using what technical analysis or whatsoever. So as we could all see it, guys, this is the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, price went with an impulse. After the impulse, guys, this was a what? This was a nice correction. And after the nice correction, what happened? Price went up again, guys, and like we could see that, all right, when price went up, we have this thing here, guys. So it was formed nicely, and now we're just waiting for what? We're just waiting for price to go to the upside. So if price was to buy, guys, here's my target. Price has to go up. It can like reach that level. If it passes that level, then, guys, it will give you a little bit of a what? Of a correction here, because that's how the market moves. And then you go to our 90% rule, which is there. So a lot of us, guys, we know that, okay, when it comes to this thing, our anticipation, that's what we have, more buyers than sellers, guys. So for you to sell Nasdaq, you can sell it during 3:30, but then total movement on Nasdaq, guys, it's a bullish one. Like, just put those things in the mind. You get what I'm saying, guys? Like, I had Nasdaq from its lowest low. Like when you're trading, sometimes, guys, it's good that you just execute, get some fresh air. Don't be on the chats always. Guys, like, the skill is there. Once you have the skill, no one can take that away from you. Like, what you've done, like, how you read those books. So again, guys, here's the situation where price is showing that, okay, it's really promising on going to the what? To the upside. So this is how it is, guys. So I'll go to the what? I'll go to the M15 again. Even in the M15, if you were to check, guys, it's still the same thing. Like, price is pushing. You understand, guys? Price is pushing. So we just have to go to the what? To the higher heights. Because like price has been pushing in an impulse and correction wave. You understand, guys? As you could check, the first one here on the M5 was this wave where price was an impulse. Then we had a what? We had a correction here. And we broke the correction. Now we are forming what? Now we are forming another one, which it's here. Price might drop a little bit just to fill the space here, guys. We could come here, and then after that we go up. So that's how patterns are. I hope, guys, that this one was clear to everyone. So for now, guys, if you're looking for positions to enter based on Nasdaq, just wait for price to drop a little bit. So these can be your what? These can be your entry level. This can be your entry level, and always set your stop loss, guys, when you're trading. You understand? So you keep it simple that way here, and like that, okay, your take profit, guys, has to be where the 90% rule. And remember, those are the smaller time frames. Let me go to the 1 hour when I'm done. You see, the take profit on the 1 hour, guys, says a lot because it's on the what? It's on that high. So guys, this is it from Ananda, and this one, guys, was Nasdaq. So we'll be reading on the comment section on which next pair should be analyzed. That's also good. Which next pair should we analyze, guys? Let's check which next pair should we analyze. I'm waiting on you guys to know which pair, which one is the next pair that you need to analyze, guys. Let's see, guys. I'm waiting. Bro, can you please save the life? Yeah, this one, guys, has to go into the books. You understand? This was the best this was the best live session that we can do. So okay, I'll be reading on the comment sections. Okay, guys, I see German 30, like German 30 won the votes, guys. So now I'm gonna go to what? German 30. German 30. Hey, Colin, we should trade that in German 30. It's been time, guys, since I traded those German 30. Okay, but then here we are on German 30, as always, guys, from the daily. But guys, if you guys realize that those things are moving in a similar way, you understand? So this is the lowest low that we have, And on the lowest low, guys, that happened that we had what? We had the highest height. That the same move with German 30 is the same thing that happened in German 30 is the same thing that happened in Nasdaq. So on German 30 again, guys, okay, I'll show you with the replay bar button that those things, guys, they were moving in the same way. You know, I don't know why didn't you see them, because if you saw them, like, but then I feel like in German 30 we had more of like a double bottom than a 3 touches, you know. First one, that's the first touch, second touch to complete, you know, guys. So one thing, guys, that you need to know, it's not all double bottoms will be picture perfect. You can't expect something like this, guys. This is in books only. In real life, it's something like this, you know. In real life, the market will always tempt you. In real life, it will be a trend line, and within that trend line, you can have 2 touches. We still call that a double top or a double bottom. It's like if price was to come down and go up in this level, this is a clear what? This is a clear double bottom. So here it is what happened, you know, guys. So first touch, second touch. When you see a double bottom, guys, you need to do just capitalize, you know. So here, guys, I'll say we're going where? We're going long. So for me to say we're going long, we have a double bottom. So the take profit has to be that level, guys. So I just do this just to show you guys that, like, don't underestimate. The smaller things are the ones which makes money for us, for some of us. So if I were to play, guys, you'll see based on the double bottom, check on how price went up, you know, guys. So if you were to like realize this thing, you could have capitalized, you know, guys. So it's done. So it was like that, you see, guys. So it was a strong buy, which had happened because of a certain level or a certain point. Okay, you get what I'm saying, guys? So now we reached that level where price is right now. So trend line has to go in just like that, guys. So the reason we took that thing, it was a double bottom. And guys, if you were to check here, price did something. Price was supposed to be a double top, but then the double top failed. You understand, guys? So when the double top failed, price had to change now. You understand? So we're going for the what? We're going for the third touch because of the touches that we had. So guys, I'll go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, guys, price is still moving in the impulse, corrections, impulse. Sometimes we delete the previous lines not to disturb us with our analysis, or just increase the top one because that's where price is heading. So as you could see, guys, from the lower low, guys, you could be scaling. Like price was moving in an impulse, and then you have a correction. After an impulse, then a correction, then impulse, correction. Understand, guys? So the market was just moving in a simple way, you know, guys. And guys, follow our YouTube channel at Mananda the Good and Chris Hendricks. Understand, guys? Go hit that subscribe button. You see, guys, so price was just moving in an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So the price is moving in the same way. So now we have almost a larger correction, but then it don't really mean anything at the end of the day. But then, like, what I know, it's price will like wanna come down here, and then after that, then we can go up. Like, guys, those things are buying. You understand? Those things are buying. For you to sell German 13 stuff, it's like if you wanna be an SA trader where you wanna make money fast, yeah, you can take such opportunities, you know. Because where it is right now, it has to come down and fill this space. If it doesn't fill this space, who's gonna fill the space for it? Like, you know, guys, some things just common knowledge, you know. No one will fill the space for it. So here I feel like we're having it like this. There's a pattern there, guys. So for us again to complete the pattern, I have to say, okay, we're coming short from there, guys, from that level. Understand? So stop loss has to be tied. Some German 30, guys, you're selling, but then remember, it's not a long sell. We're just selling because of the current situation of the market price, you know, because there's a certain zones which needs to be filled. I hope guys are making sense. See, this is how it is, you know. So now we're just gonna sell from that level. Even if I were to go to the 4 hour, you'll see that it makes sense because we reached the highest high. So we need the touches. You see, if we can get that touch to the lower low, and then after that, guys, I promise you, price will be shooting up. We have to reach the what? we have to reach the trend line, which is here. So yeah, guys, I won't go deep on this one because it was a simple one, but then we managed. So which one, guys, should we like now analyze? Which one should we analyze now? Euro USD. You get what I'm saying, guys? Which one should we analyze? See, Euro Gold. Guys, which one should I analyze now? And how's everyone? Euro will sell USD. Guys, why are you busy with the indices, guys? Indices or no indices, the market is the same. And shout out to everyone who's here, guys, participating. Let's kill the market. Let's make money. I see Ed Melanin Sniper. Shout out, my bro. Guys, so this is how it is, guys. Like once you see those things, you can't unsee them. Like, you understand? You can't unsee them, guys. I see a lot of things, but I think we're gonna go with gold because a lot of people, you guys, want us to analyze gold for you. I see GBP, AUD, SE. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go with gold, guys, on this one because I think gold is winning the votes, because a lot of you guys want us to analyze gold for y'all. Like, I'll be breaking down the market for y'all, guys, I don't want to cap, guys. I'm the best technical trader that I know. You're the real deal, my bro. Nah, man, I'm the best trader that I know. Ask your mentor about me. They will tell you. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so now we are on gold, guys. Daily time frame, lowest low, highest height. Okay, so now on the market, significant areas. Okay, price broke those levels. So what should happen now, guys? When we're in a situation like this and price decides to do whatever it does, we're gonna go back to support and resistance. You understand? Where they say price will break, retest, go up. But then Falcon says another thing. Falcon will tell you that if price breaks, it's trying to like catch people in the wrong side of the market. We might be getting something like this, guys, where we break to the lower low. Once we break that level and we have these, then we can sell. You see, so to those who are trading support and resistance, you'll be catch or caught in the wrong side of the market. You understand, guys? Imagine being caught in the wrong side of the market when price is simply going down. That's why we see most of the time, like, don't rush the process. Trust the analysis. Wait for it to play out. See what happens, guys. Don't make the decision. Let the market make the decisions. You just follow whatever it says. I hope guys are making sense on that one. So what I'll do is I'll go to I'll head to the smaller time frame now, which is the 4 hour and so on and so on. So okay, let's go, guys. So this was we had one, two. I have two touches here. Okay, and before the touches, guys, if we were to check here, price, we had these level where price broke that level. We were anticipating a triple top, it didn't happen. So okay, let's go to the 4 hour and see what's really happening. As I said, you see, guys, now we're on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, I think, like it's it's tweaking. It's showing different things now. Understand? It's showing different things now. Okay, we had it like that. So I wasn't surprised if the market bought. It was because of this level where price came. And again, guys, this is a nice 1, 2, 3 inside. Understand? So with that one, nice 1, 2, 3. So now we know why this thing bought. It was meant to buy. Okay, it's fine. So now we are on the higher side. As we are on the higher side, we have what, 1, 2, 3, which is a nice structure, from the market, guys. And now, so we have these. So now I'm just gonna wait for the market. If this thing continues going up, okay, then fine, it's a buy. But then if this thing rejects and start coming down, so what I'll be waiting for as a Falcon student, it's price to drop. So that level, when you break that neckline, then I'll be expecting something like this, so it can go down. So again, guys, I won't be lying again. So I can expect what I can expect price to be going to the upside, so it's not a bad thing, guys. So I'm just tackling the way I think it can happen based on the strategy that I'm trading, guys. So don't get me wrong. So again, guys, I'll have to remove these things. After removing these things, now I'm going to what? I'm going to the 1 hour. So when I'm in the 1 hour, guys, you could see that okay, the market is doing what? The market is doing basically what us Falcon students think price will do. Because you could see, guys, that price is rejecting. And like when price is rejecting, a lot is about to go on. Again, you guys, a lot is about to go on. So again, you have this thing here. You have a pattern within a pattern. So within that pattern, within a pattern, guys. If you wanna scalp for gold now, guys, I'm giving it live. You can take a selling position for gold, but then the take profit has to be the nearest one, and your stop loss has to be tied. So we're gonna say our take profit is basically there, or stop loss will be there. So again, guys, I'll go to the M15, which is the last time frame. You understand? So you see, even on the M15, we broke that level. Price broke that level, guys, on gold. So to the scalpers, Buffett, you can do what you're good at. You can enter this one because it's a nice one. It's on the entry level. Everything is now about gold now, guys. You see. So it's just structure, Buffett. Nothing personally. No magic, no nothing. Just pure structure, pure skill, guys. So that's how it is. Once you see those things, you can't unsee them. So again, guys, I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour or the bigger time frame. I'm on the 4 hour. You see that like we have more of sells than buys, guys. So on this one, guys, basically sell gold now because of its current state. Understand, guys? I'm happy to say sell gold, guys. I'm happy to say that. So this is how it is, guys. I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour where I hold my positions. You could see that gold is bearish. Guys, it's me, man, under the good again, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Yeah, let me mention it's a double blind. So this was how gold was, guys. Understand? Yes, these are wafisha, bra. Mfana wa bekas nita kubela around it, man, under the good low. Yes, you're doing a good job. Players, guys, I have a good setup on gold. I see something, Shirasha. Hey, man, like, to be honest, I didn't want to go live with anyone. But then you can just share your view on GBP and ZD, so I could continue with my work, But I didn't want to share the screen with anyone. Didn't want to go live with anyone. Like, you get me, guys? Once you see those things, you can't unsee them. You understand? It's all in the mind. It's all in it's all in you. Like, you do it once. You understand? Like, guys, it's simple, this thing. Like, if you can just do it once, guys, like, you're done with it. You understand? Like, you don't have to do it again. Just do it once, then you're done. I don't trade Bitcoin, man. The content on YouTube is great. I'm learning a lot. Thanks, man. I need one-on-one. Man, text on the inbox. Text Chris Hendricks. Okay. Check this. Can we please look at GBP USD? Okay, guys, I see DXY. A lot of you want DXY analysis. DXY. So I'm gonna be analyzing DXY now. Message go. Alright. Let's see.
Box and the water connected to Wi-Fi.
What's in the message? Not bad DXY then. That's a very influential date. Think you don't cut. Okay. So, guys, this is DXY, guys. I'm analyzing DXY now. So in DXY, guys, we are on the daily time frame. As always, guys, this is the lowest low, and this was supposed to be the highest high, guys. You could see price broke that level. So now, guys, what we have on DXY, we have this structure here: first touch, second touch. We're going for the third touch, guys, which is a good thing. On the lower low, we have something like this. You see, guys, so this one was on DXY. So now I have to go to the 4 hour, guys. On the 4 hour, I'm expecting price to reject that level, guys. Yeah, that's the reject, and it's been rejecting, but then you can't see the rejection well because we're on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, there isn't much to be done, guys. I go to the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, you could see price is rejecting that level, So when price is rejecting that level, what will happen? As I said, guys, I believe more in my strategy. So here we're facing an impulse and then a correction, impulse, correction. So when the situation is like this, guys, you could see that, okay, previously we had this structure. This was on the previous market. We had this structure. So now, guys, we're sort of like forming a head and shoulder setup. So with this one, guys, it's easy. If you want to use the bar pattern, you just have to flip it. So bar pattern from here, I can take it from there, So now we have to turn this thing, guys, Turn this thing. All right. You see, guys, I'm having something like this. So this one was on the DXY, guys. So again, this one is short from where price is right now. If you're trading the risk entry, guys, you can take your position right now. Understand? If you're trading the risk entry, but then if you're trading the reduced, wait for like a strong confirmation, because 90% of my trades, guys, I take them as the risk entries, not the reduced, because the time the reduced comes, I lost the momentum, like I lost that spirit of I'm gonna kill it, guys. So this thing is simple, guys. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. So that's how it is, guys. So this was DXY. Just be patient with your analysis, guys, Like a setup can't play out in a day. You understand? Like the thing is, you guys trade like, let's say, Instagram mentors where you just want to withdraw every day. It's all about the skill, guys. And like those skills will get you big profits. Look at FX Gold. They can hold the position for a whole month. But when you're failing to hold only one, guys. So like you need to change the mindset. If you can change on how you look at things, guys, I promise you, like the future is bright. You understand, guys? I won't lie, the future is bright. Like just educate yourself with some things, guys. There's some things that don't need you to like stress out. Like you just have to work on them. You understand, guys? So this thing is simple. So guys, I'll save the life. As for me and Chris Hendricks, we're signing out, guys. Goodbye. And guys, don't forget to follow our Instagram, our YouTube channel at Mananda the Good and Chris Hendricks. You can also follow Chris Hendricks on his Instagram on the name Chris Hendricks, guys. Big shout out to everyone. If you need mentorship, hit us up, signals and whatever, guys. It was nice being with y'all, guys. I wish we can do this every day. Bye, guys. This was dope. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, guys. Bye, bye, guys. Guys, I'll save the life, man. I'll save the life. This one, I'll save it. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Did you get that?